I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Steven, you're muted.
What's up, Denny? What's up, everybody?
Steven? How we doing tonight?
All right, I'm doing good. I tell you, Denny, you know, Murphy's Law, right? Murphy's Law. I mean, no joking around. Right before we came on, look at the 15-minute. Can you share my screen? Can you see my screen?
I can right now.
Look at this. The 60-minute time frame on gold reverse to buy. The strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 15. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm going to short some gold up here, though. But unbelievable. Look at that. Unbelievable pullback. First pullback on the 15 after the 60-minute reverse to buy. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. What a great long. Look at that. 36 up to 49. I'm going to short some gold up here.
The crazy pump.
What a... Well, that was a quick one. Boom, boom. Wow, that was a quick one on gold. The short at 49. You see that? What a short. There you go. Just dropped 2. How you do today, Denny?
I'm good. I did good. I ended up passing one of my accounts, like I said, and then I ended up making, what was it? Let me go back and look real quick. I ended up making $1,200 on 2 accounts, so I'm up $2,400 for today.
That's not bad. Look at this gold drop. If this gold gets back up to new highs, I got to short it. You got the non-confirm. We got to watch on the non-confirmations. You got that? You got that gold long? Oh, my God. That gold was an absolute Picasso. The 60-minute reverses to buy, and you buy the first pullback on the 15. Look at that gold below 36.5. We were staring at it right before we came on. Look at that. Exactly 10 minutes before the market, and gold just got kabooshed, $3 just now. I had offers up there and sold some. Everybody, welcome, everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. How'd everybody do today? How'd everybody do today? I want to show everybody, this was why the market really stalled out here today. I'm going to show you. Remember, I don't know if I told you, but I do a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. And this was the push up early in the morning at 10:30. S&Ps were trading 68.55. And look at this. You're making new highs here. And the MACDs could not confirm the highs on the 30 and on the 60-minute time frames. These are all sell divergences here. Okay. And if you look here, you can see the new high again. All right. And the MACDs could not confirm. So again, this is a really, really great pattern here. You know, I'm this is when the S&Ps pushed up to the 68.63 and then dropped 40 points. But then when the 15-minute time frame reversed to sell right here, you went from a positive trend to a buy disconnect. And when the 15-minute time frame reversed to sell, at this particular time, 2 things happen. One, you could take the long on the oversold against the 30 and the 60-minute, but more so, guess what? The 85% that the highs are in for the day. We never saw that high ever again. That on the NASDAQ, on the Qs, on the spiders, and on the S&P. So again, this is what I teach every single day here. And I want everybody to understand that it really is amazing when these patterns line up. And you know, XAU, we don't trade XAU, trader XPod. So okay, pretty bad state in trading. I don't know what he's talking about. Okay. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome. Gold's going to get another push up here. S&Ps, non-confirmations, if they get up to 51. All right, Brinks, good job. Shushin, great job on the long on the gold. So again, I wanted to show that to you here. How about this crazy silver? Anybody trade silver today? Woo, the silver is crazy. Silver. Look at this silver. It trades as high as 59.47. Drops, oh my God, almost 60 cents. That silver is insane. All right. You got to short this gold up here. 50. If this gold gets up to the 50.5, 56.5, I'd short it here on the gold. I don't know. I'm going to short this gold up here. Let's see if it gets a push up here.
Order filled.
All right, going to short some gold here. See what? Oh, boom. Just put some bids below here. All right. Boom. Kaboosh.
Order filled.
All right, that was a quick 2 points on gold. There you go. $1.60 on the gold. There you go. I'm going to keep shorting it on the highs. You got non-confirmations on the 5-minute time frames here. Silver probably going to get a push up here. Gold just dropped 2 on that little scalp. Hey, Jess, you hear Hendricks in the back? Jess? Scroogey, how are you? Scroogey, hello, Steve. Made 10,000. They thank you. Scroogey, you got to give me a call, Scroogey. We got to talk. 914-500-7484. Great job, Scroogey. Great job. 10,000. That's amazing. Let's go. I feel some Picasso's brewing. Everybody's stealing my lines. Love it. All right, gold just dropped 2. Are you short?
Yeah, I'm sure.
All right. Okay. Okay. Again, gold. Let's see here. You got the non-confirmations on the 5. Like, if this gold gets up to the 51.5 to 57.5, I was going to say buy silver here. The 15s are getting deeply oversold here on the silver. This was a good long here. Oh my God. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. Look at this silver.
Order filled.
Look at this silver. Look at this silver. Unbelievable.
Order filled.
All right. Unbelievable. Silver long. Wow.
Order filled.
All right. Look to cover the gold here below 51. See that short?
Yeah, I got
See that short? See that, good buddy? There you go. That's 2 for 2 right there. Silver long, not now. The silver just rallied from 82, just ran 23 cents. Gold, that would cover shorts below 51. Scroogey, what's up? Griffin Trade, what's up, baby? What's up? Scroogey, that's a great job, Scroogey. Great job. Again, and if anybody wants to give me a holler, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. That's a great job. Great job, Scroogey. Look at this gold drop. That's a great one. All right, let's go, Julian.
Yeah.
Okay, enough is enough. Okay? Enough is enough. All right. Look at this gold drop. Anybody in my guys drop short that gold up there? Just dropped about 3.5, 4. Beautiful short. Bring Shushin. Who else? Frankie. All right. What's up, everybody? What's up? There you go. There you go. All right. How can you break even on the gold? I don't know. I don't know if it's a big caboose. All I know is the 15-minute time frames are turning up. I think gold could go higher, but I was just scalping shorts on the gold. That's all. What?
30 minutes are also turning up.
All right. And the 60-minute reverse to buy here. So this was a great pattern. The 15-minute time frame got oversold on the gold and the strategy is after the 60-minute reverse to buy. The strategy is right here. You buy the first pullback on the 15, and there it is. Brinks, Shushin, Rep, Ryan, you got that? Pac-Man, you got that? Look at Brinks. He's already up 400. Look at this. What an animal. Love it. Love it. Made quick 500, Big M 241. Then you got to join my live stream every day. Isaac just made 600. Look at that. Great job. Are we starting later today? I thought 6 p.m. No, 6 p.m. 8 p.m. for the last 5 months. How do you trade gold? Can somebody please? We don't trade XAUs here. Okay. Can somebody help him? I don't really want to explain that. Okay. Can somebody do me a favor? Raphael, somebody. Your mouse got stuck. I haven't heard. Come on. That's got to be a new one. I've never heard that one in my life. My mouse got stuck. Hawk Trade, what's going on? Come on. You got to come up with a better one than that. My mouse got stuck. Now I know I need a scotch. Oh, my God almighty. Ha. Oh, my. What? My mouse got stuck. That might be a T-shirt. Christopher says, the mouse got cabooshed. Hi, boo-boo. Daddy loves you. Hello. The mouse got stuck. Hello, boo-boo. I love you, too. I love you, too. I love you, too. No more snacks. You ate like 4,000 snacks today. All right. My dog ate, Hendrix ate the mouse. How's that? All right, here. Last one. Oh, watch my phone. Oh, my God. The mouse just bid 0. Oh, my God. Gary, remember that? Well, why just bid 0? Did you get that long? No, I was bidding. Might as well just bid 0. Right. Remember that? I called the range 28 to 35 and he was bidding 29. Remember that? Oh, that's hysterical. Look at this gold drop. Kaboosh, down 5. Again, the non-confirmation in a positive trend, right? Hendrix, enough. Enough. Okay. Enough. Come on, go sit down. Be good. Come on, go sit down. Get, go. Oh my God, what a cabooshin!
Sit down. Hey, sit.
Hendrix ate the mouse.
Good boy.
My mouse got stuck. I recovered. Yes, my brother from Finland. How are you? Hendrix won kiss. You see him, Jess? He's a good boy, my Annie. Oh my! Oh, I called his name. Oh my God! All right, he's the mascot. Jess, I hope you got that short and your mouse didn't get stuck. Jess. Oh my God! This is too funny, right? This is too funny. The cat ate the mouse. No, Hendrix ate the mouse. My brother from Finland. If you ever want to text me on WhatsApp, 914-500-7484. And my Hendrix is giving me 400 kisses. I love you too. Yes, Daddy loves you too. I love you too, my big moose. He's so healthy. When I got this dog, and if I tell you, you could count the ribs on his side. That's how sad it was. And I said, I'm getting this dog, and I'm bringing this dog back. Forget it. And I saved him, and you saved me, right? You're a good boy. You're my buddy, my shadow. Everywhere we go, right? My big moose. He doesn't like squirrels or rabbits. I'm telling you now. He sees a squirrel or rabbit, it's over. All right. Well, text me if you need some help, my brother. Got King Trader got 300. The 5 is looking good. Yes, bull flag. I like to see it pulling just a little more. If this gold maybe gets down to the 44.5 range. No, enough. Stop eating in sight. This gold may get another push up here. I know, Jess, you'll always defend Hendrix. What is he saying? Trader X-Pod, seriously, stop. What's he saying? I wish I were a dog. God bless you. Thank you, Betty. He's a good boy. Denny, what's Trader X-Pod saying? Bear Trader, he called it quits.
He's just asking when the giveaway is, and I'm not going to tell everybody when the giveaway is. They watch the stream. They get to sign up for the giveaway. They get a chance to be in the giveaway. That's how I like to do things at night.
Yeah. I mean, this is not about just giveaways here. It's about learning and everything. And that's what really is important here. This gold's going to go here. Damn it.
Mm-hmm.
It just got down to S&P is going to push up. Gold just rallied 2 here. I want to get this pullback just a little bit more here on this bull flag here. Short the market. What market? No, the S&Ps. If they push up higher, gold just rallied 3 just now here. Let's see here. Welcome everybody. Hello. Yuli Lukakova greetings from Bulgaria. How are you? And again, anybody new, I do offer a 5-day free trial to my live stream on Discord every day from 8:30 to 4. I also have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. So I hope you all go to that. Let's see here. Good night, Stephen. Where are you going? I came and see in Chile. How are you? Let's see. All right. Let's see if we get some gold here. I can't even tell you how many people have called. What happened? Go drink some water. Stop eating everything in the house. All right. I can't tell you how many people have contacted me. No, why are you selling at 45.50? No, that's not the way to trade. You scale into a position. That's too tight of a stop. That's not something I would do. Okay, trade by Jerome. That's not something I would do. I mean, I'm not saying it can't go higher, but you can't put a $3 stop. You got to scale into the position. You got to learn how to scale in and scale out. All right, damn, I was about to say short the S&Ps at 51. Damn it. All right. All right. There's Abdullah, how are you? If anybody new, please, there is a link on my SK Trading. You could pin it for the 5-day free trial. Are we going back? I think the market's going to try to push up one more time to new highs by the end of the year, and I would be in cash, and I think the market's going to get absolutely kabooshed in the first quarter of next year. Okay, all right, I really do. I think the market's going to get kabooshed. I am Armenian, yes. It's got a bet. Very nice name. Okay, maybe March we get a kaboosh. Probably. That's what I think. That's when the $12 trillion is going to come, and the markets are not. Nobody wants to refinance that $12 trillion of our debt. You know that? $12 trillion of our debt. Okay, 12 trillion. Hello from Queens. Hello, how are you, GG? Or GA? Sorry, 5880. 54,800. Sorry. Okay. Very, very. First of all, I want to thank MyFundedFutures for hosting this. Hi ho, silver. Love this metal. Oh, silver is the best. Okay, I thought this S&P, this gold would get down to the 44.5 level. You're from Hawk Trade. You're from Queens too. Move to Florida. That's what I have to say. Hey, Rob Hill from Vancouver Island, BC, British Columbia. Very nice to meet you. All right, very important. There goes the gold. Okay, I'd be scaling out of longs here. I think if this gold gets up any higher, I'm going to look to short it against the non-confirmations. All right. Anyway, I wanted to see on this bull flag if gold could get down to the 44.5, 45.5 range. So you got about $2 on the gold right now. Silver is a great one. I joined the live stream today. Devil 009. You mean my what? 8:30 to 4? That one? Or well, if you join, please text me 914-500-7484. Yen trade. Denny lives in North Carolina. Yes. Hello, Jim. Well,
That's as close as you're getting to me, people.
yeah. Oh my God. Good morning from Asia. Pro Trader 2809. I just spoke to someone from Japan a little while ago. Hey, this Discord, at this hour, she had 4,000 to 5,000 people on, really, in all honesty. Okay. And MyFundedFutures, the greatest prop firm. They payouts, no nonsense. And honestly, I have to tell you, great people. Denny, Luke, Nat, Ash, so many great people. All right. So many great people. Watching from Brazil, Sofa, great job. Where are you living? I live in Jupiter, Florida. MMDN9SQ, trade Hong Kong, sing right now. There's Hendricks drinking. China PMI 845 tonight. Thank you, Option Man. Thank you very much. Hey, good morning from India. Trade flow. Hey, trade flows. How are you, brother? How are you? All right, Long Island and Anjing 3360. Long Island, Queens. We got Finland. We have Vancouver. We have Japan. We have India. Very nice to see everybody. All right. Very quiet here. Let's just wait. So obviously during the night session, we get anywhere from 4 to maybe 6 to maybe 10 to 12. Okay, so I got something to say. Before we left last night, someone said to me, Stephen, what do you think where gold's going? I said, because the 60-minute time frame on indicator 4 reversed to sell. I said, I wouldn't be surprised if gold gets kabooshed. Well, gold went from 40 to 50, what was it, 57, 58 when we got home? 57, 58, all the way down to 42.10. Here we go. Alex is from Spain. Okay. Good morning from India. Hello. It's me trades. Mo 5081 from Egypt. Hello, how are you? Memphis, how are you? Majobu. Why don't you always have the chart, Steve is looking at the corner of the screen rather than do the random stuff in the room? I don't understand what you're asking. Earl Martin, why don't you always have the chart, Steve? I don't even know what he's saying. Texas, there you go. DC, baby. Short the gold? Not yet. I would wait. What's he saying? I don't understand the question. What? New Brunswick, Canada, Chile, Bolivia. Merry Christmas, everybody. There you go. Jessica Hendricks. Jessica says hello. Hendricks.
Hey, no more negativity stuff, chat. I'll
What are
turn
they
on
saying?
slow mode for a whole hour.
King Trader, hello from India. Timbuktu. If you were a real trader, you would use candles. Whoa. I got to get, where's this guy?
I already deleted him.
No, don't delete that. A real trader. No, he has a right to his opinion. Guess what? The real traders I deal with, the guys who I've known for the last 20, 30, 40 years in the industry, do not use candles. But to each his own. Just because I don't use candles, I'll out-trade you any day of the week.
Oh, I hear a challenge.
Any day of the week. Really. I mean, just enough with this candle nonsense. Listen, if you guys like candles, use candles. Okay? I don't like them. Okay? Here. I don't like them. I can't read it. I don't understand it. I don't want to understand it. My eyes have been, I mean, I do understand it, but I don't want to look at it. So it's not going to give me the feel the way I like it. So what the hell's the difference what I use, right? Thank you, Danny Trade. Dan.
Someone said Chad T said something. I don't see no Chad T.
Okay, Hawk Trade said he switched to bars. Great. I mean, to each his own.
You could say switching to bars when you need better trading. For sure.
I know, to each his own. Really. To make a comment, a real trader only uses candles. Well, guess what? The number one trader in the world that I know, who's worth a staggering amount of money, never traded with candles. I'm not saying another word. That's it. Okay. All right. And you know what? I wish, listen, if you can make money in bars, great. If you can make money in candles, great. So be it. Trade what you see, and that's it. I don't judge anybody. You gotta talk slower. Okay. You gotta understand. Right. Bo Barbie could use whatever she wants. Because with the bars, I can see the patterns so much better, right? I can see the open, high, low, close. I can read the pattern better. My eyes are trained to use bars, okay? And, you know, I don't look at here, for example. I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. I can't get a feel for this right here, okay? I just can't. And I'm sorry. I just don't know how to read this. I don't know what I'm looking at. And you know what? When you're trading in this market, I'm so just used to looking at the open, high, low, close. That's it. I could read this better. I can see the divergences better. And that's just me. Okay? Okay? Exactly. You can see the open, high, low, close. And listen, there's no right or wrong, period. There's no right or wrong. You know, that's all I got to tell you. I want to show you a really great pattern. Who trades? We crushed it today. I'm telling you, this Bitcoin, okay, this is called a double blue buy right here. The 5-minute time frame correlates with the 15, 30, and 60. And you get this nice pullback here on the 3-minute, 91,500. Boom, ran about almost 500 points on Bitcoin. If you look at the 3-minute, okay, you can see the 3-minute pullback right here. Okay, let me just go here. How am I going to read this if I look at this here? I would never be able to read this here. Never. But I'm not doing this ever again. So that's the last time I'll do that. Okay. All right. So, and again, anybody new here, you could get a 5-day free trial here. Okay. You get a 5-day free trial. It really does pay off here. If this gold gets down to the, what was the gold low just now? I missed it. This gold's setting up for another long here. Jesus. 45.5. Jesus. It just got down. If this gold gets down to the 39.5, 45.5 range, I look to buy it. All right. It just rallied too. I was talking about candles. That's what happened. All right. Okay. Okay. Anybody new here? All right. Please hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Okay. All right. Gold just rallied too. Should have never taken the gold down. It's all based upon preference. Bingo. That's it. Case closed. Never talk about it ever again. Minnesota, frozen tundra here. 1,000 views. Wow. Denny, is this real? Denny, this 1,200?
I'm be honest, Steven, I have no idea.
Okay.
I'm trying to handle something else real quick because someone said that they won.
Okay. I don't know. Is this Bull Barbie coming on? Because I had a nice talk with her. I'm going to be teaching Bull Barbie my methodology and working with her. And she's a great person and really want to work with her. And great person. Great. Really great. Okay. All right. So let's see here. 1,500 viewers. I hope Tennessee. How are you, Joseph Bucaro? Oh, there you go. And anybody new, please, I'm giving away a 5-day free trial to my live stream. S&Ps on the double blue. Should have bought them. Okay. So this pattern right here is called the double blue buy. If you look at the S&Ps, the 5-minute time frame, I should just have a set button here. The 5-minute time frame reversed here. It correlated with the 15, 30, and 60. I'm hoping for a little bit more of a pullback here. Just ran about 2. Okay. I will be able to next week when Aaron comes. Okay. Can you show her screen when trading? I think that's Bull Barbie. She's gonna have to do that, not me. I can't do that. Okay. How many people trade silver? How many people trade silver? How many people? No? My friend, if you Denny, is this real number, Denny?
I have no idea.
Okay. All right. There's a link. Denny, you post a link for my 5-day free trial to anybody?
I did, and it's pinned up in the chat.
All right, it's pinned up. If anybody wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, it's pinned up in the chat. Okay. All right. All right. We got about 1,800 people here. All right. So again, my methodology is all based upon what's called combination methodology, using 3 time frames of 15 to 30 and the 60. And the way I look at the market is basically my indicator 4, which is right here, okay, gives me the condition of the market. So basically, if you have the conditions are basically 5 conditions: a trend, a buy reversal, a sell reversal, a correlation, and a disconnect. 3 time frames, 15, 30, and 60. All right. And then what you have is 5 conditions. All the conditions off the 15, 30, and 60 are basically based upon my indicator 4. All right. And when they flip positive or negative, I think Aaron maybe can post it maybe Aaron can post it to Denny, and maybe Denny can pop it in the chat. Okay.
What does he need to send me?
Yeah, just my methodology screen.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I can even send it to you. I don't know if I can.
No. If Aaron can do it through Discord, it'd make it a lot easier.
Oh, Aaron, if you can. Okay. There goes the gold. Starts scaling out of longs from 46 up to 47, 48. And this chart that Aaron's going to post, okay, is based upon my methodology. So 3 time frames, a 15 to 30 and a 60, 5 conditions, and of each of the conditions, there's a buy and a sell divergence for each. Okay. No. Forget it. What did I do? Did I just short something? I've had an S&P short. Okay. These S&Ps, all right, let me just see. Cover some here. All right. All right. Gold just rallied off that right into the 10 bar right there. All right. All right. I hope these are real. Okay. I hope these are real. All right. So again, I want to see if Aaron can post the let me see if I can get it to Aaron here.
Sean, were you having a problem with take profit trader?
Yeah, a lot of people are having problems.
Yeah,
my friend said he couldn't log into them today. So Aaron's going to post the chart over the methodology into the Discord. So it's a problem. Okay. Can we post that, Aaron, in MyFundedFutures as well? I don't know if we can or not. All right, go back. Come on. Okay.
Steve,
What?
if the 15 minutes start to roll, everything it's going to carry yes now?
Yes. I'm short a little bit here. Not much.
I've
I'm
been
just
all
short.
around at 52.
Okay. Come on, get back. Enough. Get back. Sit.
I'll take them out.
All right, there goes the gold long. I'm just short a little bit. Take profit is having a problem. I don't know anything about it. That's not me. I don't want to know it. Okay. All right, anybody get that gold long? Gold, that was a nice long on the gold. That was a nice long on the gold on the 5 minute right there. Okay, right into the 10 bar. 1.5, just rallied 4 or 5 on that gold. All right. So Raphael Trades, how are you? Silver moving. December 5 employment report 8:30. That's unemployment number.
No. I was responding to someone's message, Steven. That's why I put that in there.
Oh, okay.
Because they were asking about the T1 news for this month, and the only T1 news that we have is on December 5th and December 10th.
Well, anyway, I don't know if Aaron can post this or not in your Discord, but this is my methodology. Okay. What losing trades, Dan? 4181. I don't understand what you're talking about here. Okay. Great long. It was a great long. How'd you lose money on the gold? I don't understand, Danny. I'm done following. So other losing. I don't get what he's saying. Do you think the indexes get caboose tomorrow? No. I think the market's going to keep moving up. Okay. I think the market's going to keep moving up, inching higher. From Arizona, Tech Table. Okay. Thank you. All right. So again, the other guy I follow made money. Okay. Silver, kaboom. Let's see what silver's doing. Oh my God, silver right here off the 15. This was the long on the 15 right here. Oh my Lord God Almighty, silver. Look at this silver. 82. Oh my God, the silver. 60 cents. All right. Silver's got to be shorted up here, though. S&Ps aren't even moving. Good Lord, God Almighty. All right. Okay. My other friend that I follow, not you, I signed up with you tomorrow morning. Okay. Well, if you do, Danny Dan, text me at 914-500-7484. Trump, is there an advantage to bars instead of candles? No, to each his own. I like using bar data. Look at this silver drop. Oh my God. I knew this silver was a short here against a non-confirmation here. Oh man. Wow. All right, S&Ps, if you're short, you could look to cover anywhere between the 49.5 and 50.25 range. S&Ps. Gold just got kabooshed. There's a big number coming out here. Oh, wow. Look at that silver. Oh, wow. That's a caboose. S&P's dropping. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. NASDAQ, good job. I think the market's going to go to all-time highs. They want it. You're down 500 on silver. How? How are you down 500 on silver?
Steven, there's your methodology.
Where is it?
On the screen.
Oh, okay. So thank you, Denny. So if everybody can see this, this is based upon using the 15 to 30 and the 60-minute time frames, and my algorithm, which is indicator 4, allows me to determine the market direction. All right. So again, basically, it's very simple. Price leads, indicators lag. All right. And so when the price pushes up and you get the move up, all right, and you basically get the reversal prices. So when you have all 3 time frames in a row here are bullish, that means you're in a positive trend. Now, the one thing I'm going to tell all of you, okay, and I taught this to the #1 trader in the world, that during the U.S. session, you can't trade the continuous contract, the futures markets, the S&P futures, the NASDAQ futures, oil, Russell, diamonds, gold, without looking at the underlying ETF. Okay? Look at this silver. Oh my God, down 40 cents. So you need to look at the underlying ETFs, which are the spiders for the S&P, the QQQs for the NASDAQ, the IWMs for the Russell, the DIA for the YM futures, the GLDs for the gold, SLV for silver, USOs for oil, and the TMF or the TLTs for the 30-year bonds. Okay. Now, one of the things I will tell you, the chart needs a key for what orange and blue means. It's right here. If you're part of my community, you learn all this. Okay, you learn all this. So basically, you can get like today, for example, the spiders reversed to sell on the 15-minute. We went into a sell reversal here. Okay, a sell reversal by disconnect, which means 2 out of the 3 time frames were still bullish. Okay, so there goes the silver, just ran 10 cents. All right, gold just rallied too, just rallied about 3. We've got a big number coming out in about 8 minutes here. It's a Chinese number here, PMI, I think. Okay.
Actually coming out in 30 minutes.
Okay. All right. So basically, again, this is how I read the market. Thank you, Denny, for sharing that. So I hope all of you. Okay. So NASDAQ on tops. Well, I would look to short the NASDAQ, but not here. Remember, you're in a bullish trend right now on the NASDAQ. Okay. The 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frame on my indicator 4 is bullish, even the 5-minute time frame. So that's why I said look to cover the shorts on the S&Ps here. Okay. All right. So one of the things I will tell you, okay, one of the things I will tell you that is really important, okay, is that when you're trading the markets, okay, when you're trading the markets, you really want to try to set goals for yourself every single day, right? And there we go. And Chinese PMI, right, in about what? I think it's in 2 minutes, right here. So let's just wait for that. Did I check my email? What's my email here? No.
What's up, Zill?
Okay. All right. Let's see if this number comes out here. Here we go. Hey, Ethan, what's going on? Exactly. You stay focused. You trade 1 to 2 trades a night, maybe 3. Okay. And that's what's really important. Denny, is this number real up here, you think?
I have no idea, but it's staying steady, so I hope it is.
All right.
How many people are watching? 1860.
Want to be blessed by such daughters one day, God willing. You will. You will be. All right.
Steven, someone said, which indicator are you using on those 3 time frames to tell you bullish or bearish?
So indicator 4 gives me the ability to determine the market condition. So indicator 4 gives me that ability to see the market condition, and I know how to trade it based upon, and I teach that during the day. All right. Indicator 1 and 4 are what they and what are they. Indicator 4 is my own proprietary algorithm. Indicator 1 is a MACD. It's a convergence, divergence, 2 moving averages. So indicators 1, 3, and 4 I use 85% of the time. Indicators 1, 2, 3, 4 I use 15% of the time. All right, there goes the gold right back up. Just ran about 4 on the gold. Up 1,300. Have a good night, Dom S. That's a great job, Dominic. That's a great job. Looking at charts with sleepy eyes. Any entries made in AM session? Yes, we had a couple longs on the gold, a short, and then I think 1 or 2 longs on the gold. Okay, do SK Pay subs get access? I don't understand the question. I have a live stream every single day from 9 to 4, from 8:30 to 4, okay? And I also offer a 5-day free trial, okay? Made 304 on AMD early this morning. You guys want to see some great shorts? Look at this Tesla today. You want to see Tesla? We had Tesla, we had AMD, we had a Broadcom. Look at this. You're making new highs. Ding, ding, ding. Opens, pushes up to 433, drops 5. Pushes up again to new highs. These MACDs couldn't confirm the highs here. Tesla goes from 436.80 all the way down. Now, we didn't capture $16, but it was damn good, okay? 51.9. Andre, thank you for posting that. Looks like a non-event. Look at Broadcom here, same pattern. You pushed up here in Broadcom, great, great pattern, right? Pushing up to new highs on the 60 and on the 30, opens at 388, pushes up to 393, pushes up and then drops. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Drops 13. Netflix, great pattern off the 60-minute time frame. Oversold in a positive trend. Look at this. You're oversold on the 60 and on the 30. What does Netflix do? Rallies $2. These patterns, when you wait for them, are absolutely amazing. Okay? All right? All right. Absolutely amazing. Jonathan, you made 10,000 on silver. That's phenomenal, Jonathan. Oh, and demo. Come on, Jonathan, get in there. I made 1,000 off your charts during the Asia session. That's great. Yeah, that's great. I'm so happy. I'm telling you, you don't understand how happy I get when I see things like that. That's what this is what I do. I'm up 1,100 since 6 p.m. trading 1 mini, 600. All right, so can I just say something, Daniel Rodriguez? All right, I don't believe in doing single lot entries. You could do what you want. I believe in scaling into a position based upon the pattern, okay? I don't believe in doing single lot entries. So you're going to short the NASDAQ or buy the NASDAQ and watch it drop 15 or 20 or 25 points? No, no, no. Silver is ready to blow. I agree. I think silver is ready to blow here, okay? All right, let me see the silver. It just got cabooshed, though, but can you imagine silver 60? Oof. You know how many people are short this silver? I can't even begin. Bitcoin looks like ready to run up here. Bitcoin's making new highs. You want to see a great pattern in Bitcoin off the 30-minute time frame at 4 o'clock? This is why I look at this work. I spent 10 years building this methodology. 10 years. Look at this. The 30-minute reverses to buy. Let me teach you this strategy, okay? Let me teach you. So I'm bullish on the 60 and on the 15 on indicator 4, right? The 30-minute reverses to buy with the MACD above the pivot. You take the short, it drops, boom, 1,000 points. You cover somewhere here to here, and you reverse to go long. 1,000 down, 1,000 up. That's a phenomenal pattern. That's a phenomenal, serious question. What's the question? Okay. No single lot, Dan. No way. Anybody trading Bitcoin, I'm telling you right now, all right, I'm going to be launching a Bitcoin channel, and I can't wait for that, okay? Bitcoin only, all right? Bitcoin and Ethereum only, a separate channel during the day. I know Aaron's not going to like that, but don't get him crazy. Hey, get over here. Enough is enough. Get over here. Sit over here. Sit. Sit. Here. All he wants to do is eat. I can't take it. No, he doesn't want it. Just let him be, Zach. All right. All right. 1,800 is crazy. Who made 1,800?
You think he wants to go on the wall?
Maybe if you want to take him. My stream for Power Hour is not working. Sent email to help desk. I've not gotten a response. Can you text me, please? 914-500-7484. please. If you text me, I'll handle it for you. Okay? I'm sorry about that. Bitcoin's making new highs here, but you got the non-confirmation in Bitcoin. Oh, this dog's crazy. Going good today, Bahara. Crypto showing crazy. 914-500-7484. If you text me your full name and email, I'll get it fixed for you. Okay? I'll get it fixed. Oh, he's crazy. He's completely insane today. If he sees a rabbit, you're done. Forget it. Okay. Hey, AJ, you're getting your beads sent to you tomorrow, AJ. Okay, AJ. Green and black from the Super Bowl. Do not sell them, AJ. They're $500 each on eBay. AJ. All right, AJ. All right. All right. Holding steady here. All right. So again, anybody new here tonight, I do offer, okay, a free 5-day free trial to my live stream from 8:30 to 4. So please take advantage of that. Also, I have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. I think that's really important to be watching because I do go over a lot there. So does everybody understand? So all you got to do is wait for my indicators to reverse. You can see here how they reverse here. Beautiful. And again, when the algorithm reverses to buy, okay, and the MACDs are above the pivot, here's the pivot line, the MACDs, you're making new highs here. You take the short, it drops, you wait for the oversold condition on the 15, you cover the short anywhere, you look to go long and up, and away, okay? All right. Okay, I like trading the S&Ps better. That's just me. Okay, you called it earlier today. What did I call? Bitcoin going up? I think it's going up. But again, if you look at the daily, you can see here, this low here. Now we may get one more push up here. I'm not saying you're out of the woods yet, but the weekly's oversold here. So, but you got a lot of damage here. So you may get a push up, a fake out up to 97, 98, even 101, and then back down again. Again, I just think the market's going to get cabooshed next year, and Bitcoin's going to go with it. All right, S&Ps and NASDAQ dropping here. Okay. Okay. All right. Aaron's the best. Okay. All right. 1845. AJ, okay. Market looks bearish. Well, market's bullish, actually. So I was going to say short this Bitcoin here. It just dropped 150. Anybody trade Bitcoin futures here? I'm telling you, Bitcoin futures are the best. Paul, 1906. I agree with you. A lot of retail traders do not know how to trade the NASDAQ. Okay. All right. And I'll tell you the reason why. You know what the reason why? Because you have to scale in properly. You have to know the asset. And the asset, okay, is when you're trading the NASDAQ, you can't do a $10 range on NASDAQ, okay? You have to do a $40 range. So people say, what do you mean a $40 range? That's right. The first thing you got to determine is how many contracts do you want to trade? If it's 10 micros, then you go, let's say I say, look to short the NASDAQ, 25,640 to 680. So maybe you'll short 47s, 57s, 67s, and 77s. You may go 1, 1, 4, 4, right? I'm just giving you an example. No, I don't agree about that, Adam. Adam 212. I just believe that people don't know how to trade it, period. Okay? All right? I just think that people don't know how to trade it. Damn it, this freaking Bitcoin just dropped 200. All right. I'm not bearish on the market. I think you're going to get one more push up on the S&P and NASDAQ on the 5-minute here. So one trade, T, I got to tell you, in my personal opinion, okay, I would only trade one index. I would. You do what you want. I would only trade one. How long did it take me to become a profitable trader? Look, I'm going to be bluntly honest with you. Okay, I would. I was very blessed out of the gate. Okay. Let's see here. How about for setting a stop loss on NASDAQ? So if I call a short on NASDAQ, so here, just listen to me for a second. Okay, I got to do this. Okay. All right. So here's the NQ, right? NQ, can you see it? So if I call a range, where is it? 25,600 to 25,640. Your stop's got to be 25,655. Okay. I know. Now you may think, okay, you may be thinking 40 handles. What is he freaking on morphine? No, I'm not, because the NASDAQ's trading 25,000. The S&Ps are trading 6,800. You got to understand, if you're going to trade Meta's going to trade a lot differently than HIMS. Microsoft's going to trade a lot different than SMCI. SMCI is what, 33? Microsoft is 490. Right? You got to understand what you're dealing with. Look at the Bitcoin drop again off the 30-minute non-confirmation right here. Look at that. See the new high? The non-confirmation just dropped 300 on Bitcoin. Okay. Now, let's say I call a range to short. Okay. Pit trades. The thing about day trading, if you really want it to work out, you'll find a way. I disagree with that. Okay, I'm not, no disrespect. 3,400. I don't think like that. No, I don't own any Bitcoin. Talk to me about gold, sir. We going down? No, not yet. So anyway, so this is the range I call, right? 25,600 to 25,640. So the first thing you got to say to yourself is, how many contracts do you want to trade? So let's just say it's 10 micros. I'm just giving an example. So now, where's my eraser? So now you say to yourself, okay, all right, what do you mean you're starting with 7,500? Okay, so now, for example, you have 25,600 to 25,640 is the range. So now you're going to do 10 micros. So now you say to yourself, okay, I may sell one micro at 25,608, one at 25,618. Maybe I'll sell four at 25,628. And maybe I'll sell, I don't know, four, if it gets there, 25,638. And your stop is 55. So let's say the average here is probably, if I had to guess, maybe 22 or 23, okay? Or maybe 24, okay? So now you're in for 10 micros, you're scaling in. Instead of just saying, okay, I'm going to short one contract or three contracts at 25,612 and watch it go up to 38. That's called a single lot entry. And I don't agree with that, okay? So now, let's say you're short 10 micros at an average of 25,624. Let's give you an example, okay? All right. Now, the last sales 6, it starts dropping, which that's nothing, 12 in the NASDAQ, right? Okay. This goes in and get another push up here, okay? So now it starts dropping. Now your stop is 55, right? Right here. So now let's say he's trading 19. Maybe you cover one. But you got to lower your stop, okay? Okay. You leave your stop at 55. I'm sorry. Now it drops maybe to 14. Okay, you cover one more. Now you lower your stop on 8 to 60 to 24. Told you the S&P is going to go back up.
You have a bandage?
Yeah, why?
It's going crazy. Like, believe me,
He just bit you?
No. I just scratched myself.
Okay. All right. So now you're short 8. Let's say it drops to 10. You buy one more. You still keep your stop at 24. Let's say it starts getting cabooshed. Okay. And that's trading 05. Now you can lower your stop maybe to like 17. And that's how you scale in and out. Okay. Same idea. Now, sometimes today I was only doing the $30 range on the NASDAQ. Oh, damn it. On the S&P. Look at this gold turn up. If this gold gets down to the 39.30, 46.30. Now, again, I don't say the full pricing here. Where'd my top go? You know where my top went just now. Okay. Here, it went on the floor. Okay. So I don't call a range based upon so I don't say, look to short the NASDAQ, 25,640. I'll just say, look to short the NASDAQ 40 to 80. Okay. And that's because the markets are moving fast. I think gold is going to push up again. Okay. So with the scaling, would your losses be way bigger than your wins? No, not necessarily. There are some today we were catching 40, 60, 80, 90 points on the NASDAQ up and down. And people just kept on lowering their stops and raising their stops. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. All right. So again, what's really important here, is to understand that when you're trading the market, to do single lot entries is very difficult. Very difficult. Okay. And I don't think that that's prudent for anybody. Scaling in and scaling out has changed the lives of many, many people that I've taught, okay, along the way here. And I think scaling in and scaling out is something, whether you're trading stocks, if you want to trade 1,000 shares of stock, like today, Microsoft, we had a great long on Microsoft here, just to show you, okay, Microsoft reversed the buy. You were in a positive trend here. Microsoft was pushing up earlier to new highs. The same time the S&Ps were making new highs. Look at the gold rally 3. Okay. And we caught a nice short in Microsoft. It got cabooshed. But look when Microsoft reversed the buy on the 15-minute time frame. We got the first pull back here below 89.10. What did Microsoft do? Boom. Up $4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. Okay. An hour and 15 minutes. Look at this gold rally. Okay. It's not that difficult if you're I'm long gold 42.48. Okay, good job. Good job. I would start scaling out of longs here or raise your stop. So you hear what I just said? Gabriel, you're long gold. And I said, okay. And then I said, why not calculate risk to reward? I don't even know, calculate risk to reward. It is a calculation of risk to reward. Yeah, it's kaboomed. I wanted to buy it at 46.5. I canceled the buy range. Good job,
Steven.
Raphael.
Steven.
Yes, sir.
We're going to do the giveaways again at 9:45?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
You're teaching some phenomenal stuff tonight.
When you first funded with the small account like 50K, you can't scale in multiple accounts. Why not? Due to MyFundedFutures limited traded to one lot size. What is he talking about with one lot size, Denny?
He's talking about, like, for the scale and the core account, like, if you're on the 50K, you can only use one mini, not one micro. You can only use one mini. But what Steven's talking about is trading with micros. You can use multiple micros.
But who says you can't trade? I don't understand. Who says you can't trade? Who says you can't just fucking thing won't let me put the order in. Look at this trade of 8. Drives me crazy.
Order filled.
Who's saying that you can't? I'll be shorting some gold here. 54.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, baby. Cover. Boom.
Order filled.
So,
there you go.
So for the sim funded accounts, right, Steven?
Yes.
Until you get over $1,000 in profit on a funded account, you can only trade one mini.
You trade 10 micros.
You could trade 10 micros though, no?
Yes, you can. You could trade 10 micros, but only.
So that's what I'm
minute.
saying. So you could trade 10 micros. You could still scale in, like I was teaching.
Yep.
Right.
Yep. Yes.
I don't understand what they're saying. One lot. I don't get it. So that's one mini.
Because
don't trade one mini. Trade 10 micros.
I was gonna say I think it's because they trade they trade minis, not micros.
Yeah, but beginners or anybody new to look at this freaking Bitcoin just dropped 400. Okay, NASDAQ gold rallied about 8, and gold's got to be shorted up here soon. Yeah, go to sleep now. Go to sleep. Good. Let him get his bed ready. He's gonna pass out in like 3 minutes. Watch. Okay. I know.
Chasing bullfrogs out there.
He don't let him eat a bullfrog. He'll get sick.
He was making me run. Burned off half a dinner.
I don't understand how you could do a 1 mini and have a 60 point stop. Get out of there. Go to sleep. Driving me crazy tonight. Go to sleep. So anyway, I don't understand that. Why don't I wait for confirmation? Of course I wait for confirmation. Okay. Who says I don't wait for confirmation? But there's also trading. To trade one lot, okay, of S&Ps or NASDAQ with a 60 point stop. I don't want to judge anybody. I could never do that. And I can't tell you what to do, but good luck. How's Bitcoin hard to predict? You know why it's hard to predict? Because I have technology and I spent 10 years building something. I can identify patterns. It's hard to predict when you don't have technology in front of you, right? That's my answer. Okay. All right. Jesse's killing me tonight. Okay. 4 time frames and 4 indicators are the confirmation. No, it's 3 time frames, 15, 30, and 60. And you have 5. I got to short this gold up here. This gold makes new highs here. 54. I short this 54.80 up to like, I don't know, 59.80, 60.80 on the gold. What's silver? Silver's got to be exploding. So again, when the 15-minute time frame reversed today in Microsoft, I know you're not trading Microsoft. I'm just showing you a pattern. S&Ps and NASDAQ are going to get another push up here. All right. So when you see this, you get the pullback here, okay, on the 15, and you can see the oversold, beautiful bull flag and up, okay? So that's that, okay? That's that. What's silver doing? So scaling in and scaling out to me, oh, this silver is going to go. Oh, wait till the silver 60-minute turns up here. Oh, my God, the silver is going to rip. Are the banks getting stable coin? I have no idea. So I don't tax. I would say that Bitcoin is not hard to predict. Okay. All right. Oh, 60 ticks, not 60 points. All right. It's still a lot. And I don't look at ticks. I look at points. Okay. I look at points. I don't know how, I don't look at 60 ticks. So I don't know. Giveaway is at 9:45 now. Okay.
So everybody that was wondering real quick, when it comes to the minis versus micros, I have it pulled up right now. For the core flex or core plan in general, right? They have a scaling rule. Below $1,000 of profit, you can only do 1 mini, but you could do 10 micros. On 1,000 to 2,000, you could do 2 minis or 20 micros. Above $2,000, you could do 3 minis or 30 micros. And it's, let me see, for scale, it's 1 mini or 5 micros for the 50K. For the for the 100K, it's 2 minis or 10 micros. And for the 150K, it's 2 minis or 10 micros as well.
Right. Sit down. All right.
What's the link to join this giveaway?
It's too late now. It was at 9:00. Is the giveaway? The link is still closed now. If you short this gold, lower your stops.
The giveaway link. The giveaway link is closed.
Okay, it's
I
closed.
put it out at 8:45.
Yeah.
I closed it at 9.
It's every day so tomorrow and every day, 8:45 to 9. You're walking Hendrix. Eval no scaling rule. I don't know. Okay. Matt is goated though. Matt's good. Matt's great. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that I think that Tom Rico Capito. Yeah, I would be scaling into shorts on the gold. All right. I do not own any Bitcoin. I do not. Okay. Probably if it drops where I think it's going to drop, I'll probably look to buy it. Okay. I'll probably look to buy it. All right. Let's see here. Okay. So basically, again, what's really important here is that learning the methodology. And, a lot of people say to me all the time, hey, Steve, what do you think about trading silver? I like trading silver. I think, again, but gold to me is something. Shall I move stop to break even? No, I would raise your stop. What's your at 48? No, you raise your stop to like 51.5, 51.80 to lock in a profit. Exactly. You work. I have a methodology based upon technology. Okay. Everybody's different. Matt's great. I love him. It's great. Everybody has a different methodology. Find what works for you, right? If something I do that you use or somebody that Matt uses, okay. I told you you got the double blue. You're gonna get the buy on the S&Ps. There goes the NASDAQ. NASDAQ just ran 20. This is what's called a double blue buy. The oversold condition. That's why I said S&Ps just ran 3. NASDAQ, I told you this pattern. S&Ps, look at the NASDAQ right here. Boom, 37 up to 57. It's getting 20 points on the NASDAQ. I said I would not be short. Little Roo, great job, Little Roo. That's a great job. Look at the Little Roo. See that? That's how you do it right there. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Ethan, what are you saying? Thoughts on NASDAQ for December? Higher. Aaron, I don't know what I did to my if you can put me back to Denny, I don't know what the hell I hit. Good job, Little Roo. Good job. Okay. I think I've been off around here. I'm gonna try to short some gold. Short some gold up here. I'm gonna short some gold. 55.5. It's already dropping. Just made a point on gold. In and out. S&Ps, NASDAQ, beautiful long on the double blue. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what Matt sells. Okay. The 4-hour view and straight shooter back to all-time highs. So basically, when gold reversed to buying, so now the strategy on gold, just to let everybody know, since the 60-minute time frame reversed to buy right here. We already got the pullback on the 15. Now the next pullback you want is on the 30-minute time frame and then the 60. And gold's going to go right back up to 42.90. Watch. Okay. All right. just scalping the shorts here. Kaboom on the gold. So Raphael, I would raise your stop on the long on gold. There's the gold. There it is. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. If you're short the gold above 55.5, just look to cover 54.5 or lower. I'm going to exit my shorts up there. I mean, cancel my short offers. Okay. Anybody get long on the double blue on the S&Ps or NASDAQ? They were going to get a push up here. That's a set strategy. The 5 reverses to buy. This is the pullback on the 3. You named the caboose trade flows? I love it. Okay. What's this? Who's trade one account all the way through live anyway? I'm going to ask him to do so. Who's that one trade, T? Can you please go over Ethereum futures? I don't look at Ethereum futures. I look at Bitcoin futures. Was it ETHUSD? I'm sure you can get it. It's the same identical pattern. Okay. The 5 reverses to buy. You buy the pullback here, 16 up to 48. I mean, there's no difference here. Gold, I would lower your stop. Get over there. Sit down. Don't get mad at me. You sit down. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Okay. All right. So the 5-minute time frame reverses the buy, and it gets the pullback here. So it doesn't make a difference. The patterns are the patterns. Okay. Okay. All right. Raphael, good job. Raphael, it makes no sense to put, it makes, what the hell did I just short?
Yes.
I didn't even have I had no water in here. This is insane with this stupid thing. I don't care. Anyway, I just want to let you know that, right? Bitcoin is not hard to predict. I think I answered that one already. So, okay. This gold gets up to the 55.80 to maybe like the 60.80 range. I look to short it. There you go. All right. Anybody get the long on the NASDAQ or S&Ps? I told you the double blue buys were going to turn up. I told you that. Where's Hugo? Hugo's here somewhere. Good man, Hugo. Mark Jackson, good man. A lot of good people. Crystal, Aaron, a lot of good people. Diana, where's Diana? Diana, a lot of great people here. All right. And again, basically the way you can see, it doesn't make a difference if it's Bitcoin, gold's dropping here. If you're short the gold, I would just lower your stop. So Raphael, it makes no sense to raise your stop to break even. You raise your stop in a profit margin, right? If you're long at 48 and now it's trading 53, 54, you raise your stop to like 52.5 or 52.30, right? The NASDAQ, I said the NASDAQ is going to turn up on the 5 and 15. On the 5 on the NASDAQ and the S&P on the 5. Okay. Now, anybody new here, I offer a 5-day free trial if you're interested. Okay, a 5-day free trial, and it's already in the Discord. If you need a 5-day free trial and you want to text me, 914-500-7484. Okay, you're holding longs in S&P. Good. I would raise your stops. Gold just dropped 2. Gold just got cabooshed here. All right. S&Ps just ran 5. NASDAQ just ran 24, I think. All right. Let's see here. Some great moves tonight, I think. Gold, great moves. All right. All right, gold just dropped off the highs too. Almost here. Gold just dropped 3 just now. All right. See what I'm saying, Raphael? Hugo, here's Hugo. Hugo's in the house. There he is. Hey, Mr. MLC, how are you? How are you, Mr. MLC? All right. Let's see here. Okay. S&P's pushing up here. If I only had a brain. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this gold drop. Look at this gold drop. All right, let me put this, let me put silver up here. Silver's getting kabooshed. All right. Look at this. Oh my God, gold. Look at this gold drop, $4. Okay, look at this gold. Whose course is good? I don't understand whose course is good here. Very informative, Jay Stein. Okay. Okay. S&P's dropping here. I tried to short 54s. Nope, I didn't get them. Stupid one lot, idiot. I don't look at trend lines. Oh my God, look at this gold. Oh my God, you short? No.
I shorted, yes.
Okay.
Got $1.
All right. All right. So we got a raffle coming up here in about 23 minutes here. Anybody short that gold up there? You're still holding the long on the S&Ps? Let's see here. I would be looking to scale them out, and I'll tell you why here. If you look, oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at the 30-minute time frame on the S&Ps here.
Order filled.
But I just sold some more here. Look at this. You see the 30-minute time frames getting way overbought here on the S&Ps. NASDAQ tick 67. NASDAQ would have just ran 30 on that. Look at this gold. Oh my God almighty. Good Lord. You see that gold? Oh my God almighty. Good job, Michael. Derek, great job. Wow, look at this gold drop. Wow. Who caught the gold short up there? 44X the Punisher, anytime. 914. If anybody wants to reach out to me or anybody wants the 5-day free course, just text me. NASDAQ, I think we're great, Artan. Artan, it was a great long on the 5-minute. Same thing with the S&P. The 5 reverses to buy. Look at this. Boom. Look at this, Artan. S&Ps just ran 5.
Order filled. Andrew, you all right?
What's the matter?
He's breathing really fast.
He's tired. Let him sleep. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed. All right, we should get maybe one more. Look at this gold drop 5 points here. 914-500-7484. Okay. Got the silver short. Hey, that's a good job on the silver short. All right. I told you the S&Ps and the NASDAQ were going to rally. I told you that. Okay. I told you they were going to rally. Okay. NASDAQ just ran 32. S&Ps just ran 6. Why? Why? Why if the NASDAQ hit 75? Why? Gold's going to go right back up. What are my thoughts on NASDAQ? I said the 5-minute time frames were going to push up. What the hell was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah, it sounded like you felt like fireworks.
I don't even know what the hell's going on.
I'm short too.
I'm just gonna.
450. I think it's gonna turn over soon.
I think it's gonna drop.
5 minutes and 50
Order
minutes.
filled.
Yeah.
I'm just holding.
Are you shorting up?
Yeah, I'm just scalping shorts. Look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's going right up. Okay. Again, what I said to you was on the NASDAQ, when they got the 5-minute time frame, I said the NASDAQ's going to turn up here on the oversold. This is the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame. Do you see that? It's going to be a push. Here, look. Do you see that, everybody? Do you see what I was showing you? Okay. Do you see?
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Boom. Covered the short. Okay. Boom. There goes the gold. Okay. Gotta cancel my offer. Now you see me. Okay. So this is the Arton. You see this, Arton? I don't understand. The 10 years moving higher. The NASDAQ continue up. Market's ignoring everything. Please. The market's insane. Okay. You can't even put a rhyme or reason on it. How about this? How about this? The 30-year bond interest rates are going higher after 2 rate cuts. Okay. The 30-year bonds interest rates have risen, right? Okay. So I told you on this pattern right here, you see this bull flag, the 5-minute time frame reversed to buy. It correlated with its 30, 15, 30, and 60. Okay. All right. Okay. I covered the short on the S&Ps. It's getting
I
late.
got a point. 55 down to 54.
What? You short? Okay.
No, I covered. I got
Okay.
55 down to 54.
You made 400?
Yeah.
There you go.
5 accounts.
There you go. 400 on 5 accounts?
No. 400 between them.
Oh,
80.
That's still great.
Yeah, it's good.
Still good.
Wish it was 400.
I didn't call a short on the S&P. I said they were going up.
Yeah. No,
No, but I
I
caught
get
the
what you're
scalp
saying.
short at 54 3/4. I tried to sell more at 55 3/4. It touched it. I didn't get filled.
yeah, I got.
Denny, how do we go from 1,875 to 432, Denny?
They're just here for the giveaway.
I don't know what happened to Denny.
I'm here, Steven. That it means we were probably botted.
Okay.
That's what that means.
Look at the S&Ps drop. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Okay. Oh, my God. I had a short. Gold, new highs. You can't short it now. Got to wait for the fives to get overbought. You see?
Yeah.
Indicator 3. Got to wait. Wow.
15 minutes are getting super overbought.
Okay. Past their bedtimes.
Oh, that. Wow. Should have held the runner.
What, gold?
Yes.
It's all right. This gold's finding trouble up there.
Yes.
Look at it. Yes. Look at the NASDAQ. Just got absolutely kabooshed. 20 points.
Just 4 or 5 points on the yes too.
Oh, wow. I was short up there, too.
Yeah, no.
Doomslaver, what happened? It's okay. Michelle, don't worry about it. You can't look back. Scale into buys on the NASDAQ? Not yet. You got to wait for the 5-minute time frame. Gold making new highs, oil making new lows. How much you up today? You didn't do anything?
Negative.
Why wouldn't you trade?
I'll trade now.
What do you mean trade now? Gold's been going like gangbusters.
What'd you say?
If this gold gets up to the 59.5 to 64, 65 range, I would take a scalp short on. I'm going to short this gold. Oh, it just got kabooshed.
It did.
Oh, look at this gold. This gold moves so fast. You got to keep your hand on it. You got to keep your hand on it. The mouse got stuck.
This 5 minutes going to jump in 20 seconds.
Yeah, the S&Ps. Look at this gold. All right, let's just see if. All right. Everybody, welcome Matt R. Matt R. You could just you could text me anytime you want. All right.
Definitely lags. It's a good short up there.
Trade by Jerome. I told my wife about Kaboosh term. Love it. Makes the feed worthwhile. Great job. Wait till I get t-shirts made up. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Gold just dropped 2. I don't like leaving offers out, but that was fast. That was fast. All right. S&Ps just dropped 4. NASDAQ just dropped 20. All right. We got 10 minutes till the yes. All right. Bring on the shirts. Gold going to fill the daily gap? It might. I think gold's going to go higher, but first you're going to get a pullback on the gold. All right. Let's see if they get one more push down here. Now, the next push down on the S&P and NASDAQ futures should be off the 15-minute time frame. And when that happens, then the next push up is going to really turn up. Okay? Is the MACD on the 60 minutes showing a divergence? On what time frame? Why can't this I don't understand this here at all. That's positive. Here's the 30, 59. So far, all the MACDs are pretty damn good here. Turning up. Okay. This is the only problem. The MACD on the 60 is not you see the MACDs here. Okay. So that's the only reason why I was short, because the MACD's on confirming. So I want to see if this gold can get us push up through 60. Up through 60 here. No, it's well, it might. Let's just see if it gets through 60, 60 and a half, 60, 80 first. All right. The bear sound's on the S&P and NASDAQ. NASDAQ just dropped 24, 25. S&P's hit 55 3/4, just dropped 4.5. Okay. And Hendricks just passed out. He's out. That's it. It's over. Bring it in. MACD made a new high, but the 15-minute did not make a new high. MACD made a new high on the gold. It's the 60-minute that didn't make the new high. The 60-minute MACDs should be above this point here. Oh, sorry. Forget the Celtics. Okay. Okay. You see here? You see this here? Okay. You're making a new high intraday here. I mean, for the night session, the MACD should be higher here. What a bear flag. That was last night. 42.62, and then it got kabooshed. Got a ton of overhead resistance here on the hourly. Ton of overhead resistance here. This is going to be a pivot point, 62. So that should stop right there. Boom. So let's just see. S&P's, NASDAQ. Let's see if you get one more push down to get this up the long. Gold, oil making new lows here. Oil. Hendricks is out. Why can you? Okay. Hendricks, he just got kabooshed. Okay. Took me 10 years. 9.5 to 10 years, Melvin. 9.5 to 10 years. No joke. Okay. Matt R., if you want to text me, Matt R., if you want to text me, you could here we go. This goal is going right here. There you go. I told you the goal is going to go through 60. Oh, it just hit 60 and got kabooshed. Oh, my God. I couldn't put my offer out in time. Oh, my God. Gold just got kabooshed. $2. Hit 60 and, you get short? He's short. He had 59.80.
Did he? 59.7. No.
How did I come up with my strategy? It took me 9.5, 10 years. In forward testing, I don't believe in back testing. All right, if you sold the gold at 60, you got to cover your shorts at 58 here, or 50 below 58. You're going to get another push up here on the S&Ps. If the S&Ps get down to the 45.5, 50.5, I would look to buy them. Oh, my God. Right down. Damn it. $3 on the gold. Oh, $4 on the gold. Anybody short the gold at 60? Good job, Michael Lenz on the short. Good job. I didn't tweak it. I was researching. Okay. Just the correlations alone took me probably 3 years to really unwind. And I taught it to the #1 trader in the world. You know what he said to me? How'd you figure this out? I swear to God. Look at this gold. Kabooshed. AJ, you did what? Debo, what a short. I said this gold is going to get a push to 60, and I told you this pivot point right here is going to run into a wall. That was last night. That was last night's high, right? And somebody asked me, what do you think? And I said, well, the 60-minute reverse to sell, what is that? The 60-minute reverse to sell. So the 15 and the 60s, right? The 60 got overbought. That was a Picasso. Boom. All the way down to, look at that, down to even. Well, that was early in the day, but during the night session, it got down to 42.10, I believe. Right? Oh, you got the gold short, AJ? Good. I'm sending you out your beads tomorrow. Don't sell them, AJ. So I went to the Super Bowl and I got a bunch of beads for the Eagles and for the Chiefs. I must have hundreds of them. And I carried it because I was on a private plane coming back. What do I know? They're worth about $300 to $500 each bead. I mean, not each bead, but each bead that goes around your head. I can't believe it. But to put them in the man cave. I'm sending you a silver. What is this? A black and green. A black and green, AJ. Okay. The stops are always 2 points or 2.5 points above the range. That was what my strategy came out with. NASDAQ just got kabooshed, down 30. S&P's down 5. I was short up there. There you go. AJ, you promise you won't sell them. Look at this gold. I have people in Philadelphia, AJ. They'll track you. Oh, I got hundreds of beads. I was on a private plane. You know what I did? I even started picking up the confetti and putting in a bag. And guess what? I threw them out when I got to home. My friend said, what are you, crazy? They're selling them like just these small little bags of like 5 of the confetti for $100. I'm like, ah! I swear to God.
It's like printing money.
Really? The confetti was, right?
Thoughts on longs down?
Long time what? Yeah, you got to. You can't buy it. We're leaving in 16 minutes. You're not getting stuck with a position. Or else you're staying. All right. Let's look at silver here. Let's look at silver. Silver just got kabooshed. All right, so you see when silver reverses to buy here with the MACDs above the pivot, you take your short on the overbought 32 and just drop 14. Wow, a great short. S&Ps should get another push up here, and NASDAQ should get another push up. If you want to sell the S&Ps long, 51 to 52.5, 53. All right. All right, Denny, you want to do the giveaways? It's 9:45. Denny.
I'm here, Steven. I'm here. Yep, I'm ready to do them.
Let's do them. Yeah, Kingdom
Bernard.
Mine.
Bernard. Where you at, Bernard?
The giveaways are only from 8:45 to 9 o'clock. You can sign up.
Sometimes 8:30. It just depends.
Mm-hmm.
Bernard, I see you.
Kingdom Minded, if you like to text me, 914-500-7484, and I'll help you with that. Okay.
85 emails today.
Neil Lockie, are you here? See ya.
Kingdom Minded, if you want, like I said, 914-500-7484. You can text me, okay? And I'll call you. All right.
Shenkar, are you here?
You want me to take Hendrix back and come back and pick you guys up?
Why don't you take him now?
Yeah, I'm saying.
You guys can leave now and then come back and get me.
All right.
Okay? Bye, boo-boo. Gotta see you when you get home. Get go.
I see you, Shenkar.
You guys want to chill? You guys can chill.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna back up.
Yeah, because
I'll come back in like 10 minutes.
You leaving?
Gray Horse, are you here?
Oh, no. You don't make 3 trips.
What 3 trips?
Never mind.
Drop off Hendrix and come back and pick you guys up.
All right. You guys should go and then come back and get me.
is it?
No, what I'm saying. There goes the S&Ps. There goes the NASDAQ. Another push up here. Gold's going to get another push up here. All right. There goes the gold, S&P, and NASDAQ. I told you off the 5s. Let's get another push up.
And last but not least, hey, Gabriel's up $3,000.
Where do you see that?
He just put it
Gabriel.
in the chat. Kaboom.
That's a kaboom. Absolutely.
Sud Harrison, are you here?
It's just sad. Can the Knicks be losing to this garbage? They're not garbage.
Hey, I see you, Sud Harrison.
You say they're not garbage?
All right, and that's it for the winners tonight. We'll be back tomorrow with some more giveaways. These headphones are the Astros A50X.
This is crazy.
Good job, Gabriel. S&Ps, I said they're gonna. I called along on the S&P. You're gonna get one more push up. Gold. Here goes the gold. This goes. If it gets up to the 60, 80, 65, 80, I'd probably take a scalp short. Again, I think you're gonna run into a resistance here from last night. Denny, that was 5, Denny?
Yes, sir. That was 5.
Wow, there you go. Congratulations to all the winners. Congratulations. You done? Or you long?
I just got a long on gold.
You're long on gold?
Just,
Okay.
I'm not now.
Mhm.
Just got out of it. All right. I should be back in like 10, 15.
Whoa. Why are you going? You're just gonna take Hendrix back?
Yeah,
Oh, take him back. Yeah. Make sure you lock the door with the American key.
yeah, I got you.
All right.
I locked it when we left.
All right. Come on, honey. Go home.
babe.
Come on. Go ahead. Go home. Okay. Go with Matt. Come on. I mean Zachary. Go with Zachary. Come on. Go.
Come here.
Come on.
Come on, let me put it on.
Yeah, he's-
Come on, relax.
He's a good boy. All right. Silver. This is the double blue here in silver. You got to try to buy the next pullback on silver here on the 5-minute here. Surprised a lot of you don't trade silver. I know it's a hard one, but gold just dropped 2 again here. Gray Horse, again, thank you. Congratulations, and I hope you do well with that. All right, so with that being said, I want to, say it was a great night again. I do offer a 5-day free trial. It's in the chat, so please look for it. It's also in the SK. It's pinned on the top. It's also pinned on the top in the MyFundedFutures. I also have a live stream every day from 8:30 to 4. That's what the 5-day free trial is. You get the live stream in the community, the Discord. You also get the ability to be part of the member Discord. Okay. You just lost $1,300 in silver. I don't know what the hell you're doing. I don't know what you're doing, Chicken Trader. I don't know what you're doing. Really. Come strictly from a crypto trading background. Do I need to learn how to trade conventional markets? No. You have to learn. If you want to learn my methodology, okay, look at Bitcoin drop. Bitcoin just dropped 800. I told you the non-confirmation on that up there. Okay. All right. No, I will teach you VR crypto live. Okay. Good job. Made 1,000. Good job, DigiCap. Andre, good night. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Martin, good night, everybody. All right. Got about 8 minutes to go here. Not bad. Not bad. NASDAQ, couple good longs. S&P, couple good longs. Gold, all over the place. Short, long, couple longs, couple great shorts. About maybe 8 trades on the gold. 1 or 2, I think 2 on the S&P and 1 or 2 on the NASDAQ. Street Beats up 450. Zil from Finland, have a great night, Zil. Have a great night. And you can call me anytime you want. Okay? All right. Michael Lenz, how'd you do tonight, Michael? Thank you, Michael. Aaron, thank you for the hard work again. And again, if you're new, you want to text me, 914-500-7484. Okay. All right. All right. Got about 6 minutes here. Michael Lenz, 1,200 this morning, 400 tonight. Only traded 45 minutes, $1,600. That's not a bad day. $1,600, Michael Lenz. I'm very proud of you. You can get Auburn tickets for next year. Okay. Aaron, get ready, my brother. I got so many strategies to make here. All right. Awesome day, Saf. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for MyFundedFutures tonight. We got about 6 minutes here. Dennis, you spoke to me today? I think so. Let me see. I speak to so many people, I can't even take it. Let's see. Yes, Dennis, 248 number. Yes, good job, Dennis. 375. See? I remember. Bonita Beach. When are you going to come visit me in Jupiter Beach? Okay. All right. When are you going to come visit me? All right. Again, anybody down in the Jupiter, Florida area, you can come give me a holler. You can spend a couple of days, a week here, whatever. It's nice. I got Julian from Boston, Sean from Indiana, two cities that are getting hit with a snowstorm and a blizzard. I don't think these guys want to leave, but well, Julian's got 4 kids and Sean's got 3, so I'm sure he'll be back. Hey, Trade Warrior, thank you very much. Thank you. All right, so I don't know, Denny, we got about 5 minutes to go here. I think it's just going to be real. There's nothing really to do now, but again, I want to thank Luke. I want to thank Luke, Ash, Matt, of course, Denny. Denny, did you book a place?
I have not yet. I'm still looking for one.
I
By the
can't
way,
get. There's
we have
one on the
17 more
Disney
days.
property. Look for try to find one in the Grand Floridian in Orlando.
All right.
There's a steakhouse there. I took my kids to right on the water. I'm telling you, you think you died and went to heaven, but I can't get through to Disney for some crazy reason. So I think that's a really good one, Denny. What day is that? December what? 20th?
19th. Or yeah, December 20th.
Okay, I'll be there. Dinner's
All right.
on me, Denny.
Appreciate that. You ready to go ahead and call it, Steven?
I think so. Hey, I want to say thank you, everybody. It was a great night. Dave, thank you so much. Okay, anybody new? Again, you could text me at 914-500-7484. I am offering a 5-day free trial. It's in there. I also host the Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, a podcast. I want to thank MyFundedFutures for sponsoring tonight. And, of course, Denny, thank you for a great evening. I'll see you all tomorrow at 8 o'clock. My God, it's already Wednesday. Wow. The time flies when you're having fun. Good night, everybody. God bless you. And, of course, God bless the United States of America. There goes the S&P and NASDAQ right back up. Good night, Denny. Have a great night, brother.
You too, Steven. Good night.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.